What's up YouTube, Super RC here with a blaster box break. Today's blaster box is from 2010 Press Pass. This is my third blaster box and I've had pretty good success. So on to another, let's see what we got. Okay, we got a Jeff Gordon, Dale Jr., Kyle Busch, ooh, a by the numbers, green parallel, Casey Kane and Matt Kenseth. So you got Keselowski, Ambrose, Casey Kane, Richard Petty, looks like a gold, Montoya, and Burton. Okay, Justin Allgaier, looks like Jared Fitzpatrick, Tony Stewart, got a Biffle. Got a David Reederman Unleashed. I think I got another one of these earlier. Mark Martin. Got the same pack too. Okay, we got Michael McDowell. Looks like Stephen Light. Another base. Carl Edwards parallel. Kyle Busch and AJ Allmendinger. Okay, Skinner, looks like Biffle, Tony and Eldorado, Kevin Harvick blue, Kurt Busch, and a Robbie Gordon. Let's see what this last pack will get us. Johnny Sauter, Reederman blue, ooh, Mark Martin, numbered 62 of 250 race used tire. Very nice. And Mark Martin again, and an Elliott Sadler. So Mark Martin was the hit of the pack. Thank you all for watching. Take care.